What's up guys, this is IQ from IMK Technical Hub, and today in this video we will be doing the unboxing of HP LA04 Notebook Battery. This one is an Amazon renewed product. You can also check how the Amazon renewed product packaging would come, and also you can check the product and compare with the original HP LA04 battery. So this one is an Amazon refurbished renewed product, and see this HP LA04 renewed battery. So let's cut this package. So friends, you can see I have cut the package, and here is the battery. You can see there's nothing inside. Keep this package aside. And this one is so you can see this one is an HP LA04 notebook battery, and you can see some barcodes here as well. You can also scan these barcodes, and this one is a renewed product. You can see this one is an Amazon renewed product, and this one is 4-cell battery, and battery capacity is 2200 mAh battery, and also you can see HP seal is there. This one is refurbished battery, but the quality check and if there is any fault has been corrected by the HP official. So you can see here some informations: manufactured by Swinning Elentech Electronics Corporation Limited, and this one is in China. And also you can see name and address of the importer is HP India Sales Private Limited, and this one is month and year of import is July 2017, and maximum retail price is 3503, but I have purchased it at a price of 1490 rupees, and the link for this is in video description as well. So you can see serial number as well, and here is the code. So let's cut it and see this battery. So overall friend, this one is renewed product, and after seeing the renewed product, it seems that it is a genuine battery pipe. You can see the packaging as well, and this packaging is from HP. So remove this. So you can see this is the seal here, and this one is written is HP, and HP seal is there. So if you purchase this, you can also check this seal. So we have cut it from this side. So now remove this. So I'm opening the package. So friends, you can see this one is battery. So also you can see some nothing inside. So here are some booklets from HP. You can see products information has been written on this booklet. So keep this aside. Also you can see HP Worldwide Limited warranty and technical support. Also friend, one thing I want to tell you that this product has 6 month back-end warranty, but you can also check by checking its serial number on the HP website, and maybe it has 6 month warranty from the HP official website. So friends, you can see this is the battery, and here's some informations. You can see HP LA04 battery, and also friends, I will show you the genuine battery in my laptop. Friends, this is a laptop HP Pavilion 59003, and here you can see this is a battery. So let's remove it and check. So friends, if you check very carefully on the laptop bundle battery, you can see the codes are mentioned here. The information has been written this side, and but here there is no written informations. I think maybe they have changed, or they have not put the stickers. As I can see, there is no screw here. So you can check here some informations, and you can check and compare as well. So friends, you can see also replace with spare. You can see CT number has been written here on both sides. So friends, I am putting the battery inside my laptop. So also friend, when the laptop is new, this type of tape is also there, but as I have already told you that this part is different. Maybe it has been refurbished or they have been changed this part and damaged in this part, so might be they have changed this part of the battery. So let's put inside, and I have locked. And now let's turn the laptop and let's check it's working or not. So I think the battery is fully discharged. Let's put the adapter and let's see. So I have attached the power, you can see. So friends, battery is now charging and my laptop is now booting up. So friends, you can see this is the battery and now it's charging. 7% it's showing the battery. Also friends, I will show you some information about this battery. So let's go to F1. So if you check very carefully, you can see the primary battery and serial number is also written there, 01913. And friends, you have to check this serial number 01913 from the pack of the battery so that you can check the battery is genuine. So you can see the battery is now charging. There is no issue regarding that. So friends, I hope this video is useful, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section so that I will give you answer of those questions. And friends, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, and I will see you in the next video.